pom pom pa rin. Just joking. This is my bag, and I'm going to be doing a bag review. My mom is right here. Okay, so first is, it's really really nice.
What's inside my bag?
Let's open my bag. This is what's inside. First is my lipstick, Sephora.
Kaya mo dito.
My Sephora lipstick.
Dito, balik mo muna dali.
No. And one taba squishy.
Why do you bring that?
For relaxing. And another taba squishy that is broken. Okay, done. Bye, guys.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Only 3.
Okay.